students, in this video I am going to discuss with the topic which is exothermic reactions. So what is the basic definition of exothermic reaction is the chemical reactions in which formation of product is by evolution of heat are known as what? Exothermic reactions. So in such cases the sign plus heat is written along with the products. First we have left hand side is reactants and right hand side is products along with the heat. Likewise we should write the in case of exothermic reactions, right? These are the some examples of exothermic reactions, which is carbon plus O2 gives rise to carbon dioxide, which is CO2 along with the heat. The basic formula we should remember, which is in exothermic reactions, A plus B. This A plus B is the reactants. This combine to form the C, which is product along with the heat. We should write the plus heat in case of exothermic reactions. So examples of exothermic reaction is, first is respiration. Respiration is the respiration reaction means what? Carbon dioxide will give the glucose. Okay. Respiration means what? It is reversible of the photosynthesis reaction. Okay. So here glucose plus oxygen combine to form the CO2 gas, carbon dioxide gas and water along. Next is burning of natural gas, which is methane. CH4 gas is combined with atmospheric air, which is oxygen O2. They will give the carbon dioxide gas and water along with the heat. Likewise, next example is decomposition is vegetable matter into compost. This is the one of example of exothermic reaction. So next one is burning of magnesium ribbon. If magnesium metal is react with atmospheric oxygen, which is O2, they will give the magnesium oxide along with the heat. Likewise, quicklime, which is CaO, calcium oxide along with the water, they will give calcium hydroxide, and heat is also released in such a case, which is known as exothermic reaction. Next is endothermic reaction. So endothermic reactions means the chemical reaction in which formation of products is by the absorption of heat are known as endothermic reactions. In endothermic reactions, the sign plus heat is written along with the reactants, which means left hand side reactants is there. There we can write plus heat along with the reactants, or else we can also write minus heat with the products. Like this, reactants is gives rise to products minus heat. Here is some examples of endothermic reactions, which is N2 nitrogen and oxygen O2, and along with the heat they will give the nitric oxide, which is NO in gaseous state. So this is the only combustion reactions which is endothermic in nature. So this is the one of combustion reaction in endothermic reactions. Okay. So these are the some examples of endothermic reactions. Look at this basic formula of endothermic reaction, which is A is gives rise to B plus C. Here A is reactant, B and C are the product. We can also write the heat or any energy, external energy is over the arrow. So in endothermic reactions we have to write the heat with plus symbol along with the reactants, or minus heats along with the products, or else we can also write the heat or any energy in external energy over the arrow in endothermic reactions. So examples of endothermic reactions are decomposition of iron sulfate crystals. Here one point should be remembered, so which is all decomposition reactions are endothermic reactions. Here is some examples of iron sulfate decomposed with along with the heat. they'll give ferric oxide and SO3 and SO2, which is sulfur trioxide and sulfur dioxide, and calcium carbonate. Along with the heat, they'll give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Likewise, lead nitrate will give lead oxide and nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. And in presence of sunlight, silver chloride decomposes to Ag plus Cl2, which is silver and chloride. Likewise, silver bromide under sunlight, they will give the silver plus bromine. So these two are used to the photo. These two reactions will use the photography, black and white photography. Next one is electrolytic decomposition of water. So H2O decompose to in presence of electrolysis, they will dissociate into H2 plus O2. These are the examples of endothermic reactions. Thank you.